Laptops have become an essential part of everyday life, whether you're working, studying, or just browsing. And with so much personal and professional information stored on them, security isn't just important, it's critical. The problem is most of us don't think about antivirus protection until something goes wrong or we have a close call. That's when the scramble begins to find the right antivirus software, something that works well on both Windows and Mac, whether it's your work laptop or your personal one. I tested a bunch of antivirus programs across both platforms. I've narrowed it down to the top ones that actually deliver solid protection. In this video, I'll walk you through my 4 favorite antivirus options for laptops, highlight their key features, what makes them stand out, and a few downsides to be aware of, so you can choose the one that fits you the best.
A quick heads up, I have put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you use them, I do earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel.
All right, so let's just start with my top pick. It's Norton. Norton, in my testing, has been the most reliable and effective antivirus across all platforms. What makes Norton stand out is its advanced virus protection. It uses real-time monitoring, a massive malware database, and machine learning to block threats before they can cause any damage. Norton is extremely proactive, especially when it comes to blocking ransomware and phishing attempts. But one con is that the frequent pop-ups and notifications can get a little annoying, especially when I'm just trying to focus on what I'm working on. That still does not take away from the quality of their service or the overall protection. For Windows laptops, the Smart Firewall is another win. It monitors network activity and blocks suspicious connections. And on Macs, Norton works with Apple's built-in security, providing extra protection against malware. Just be aware, on older devices, some scans can slow things down, which can be a little frustrating if you're in a rush. One cool feature is Norton's cloud backup, as this comes in pretty handy by securely storing important files and protecting them from ransomware or unexpected loss. And if you follow the channel, you already know I value convenience, so I love that Norton automatically pauses scans when I'm using apps in full screen mode. It's a great feature for gamers and just anyone who wants to avoid distractions. Now let's talk pricing. So Norton offers several plans for different budgets. Their Antivirus Plus plan starts at around $30 and is a good option for basic protection on a single device. But if you want more features like a VPN and dark web monitoring, then the 360 standard plan at around $40 covers up to 3 devices. Now, their 360 Deluxe plan costs around $50, and this one is great for families, as it offers parental controls, 50 gigs of cloud storage, and coverage for up to 5 devices. But if you want the best out of Norton, including identity theft protection, their 360 with LifeLock Select plan costs around $100 a year and covers up to 10 devices while giving you 250 gigabytes of cloud backup. So if you're looking for some incredible protection with a lot of bonus features, Norton is definitely worth checking out. All right, second on the list today is TotalAV, which for me just stood out for being so user-friendly and affordable, while still offering a fantastic range of features. TotalAV's strength is its antivirus, as it should be because it's powered by Avira's malware engine. The engine is highly rated for detecting and removing threats quickly and efficiently. I've always appreciated that TotalAV offers several scanning options: a quick scan to check temporary files, a full system scan, and a custom scan for specific files or folders. This gives it the ability to be really versatile, ensuring your device stays protected without being bogged down by time-consuming or unnecessary scans. And on Windows, the System Tune-Up tool is a handy addition, helping to clean up junk files and even detect duplicates, which keeps things running smoothly. However, sometimes the System Cleanup tool flags less critical files, which means you might need to double-check before deleting anything. But on Mac, it adds another layer of safety by offering real-time defense and ransomware protection, which is truly great protection. Now, another great feature is TotalAV's Web Shield extension. That blocks phishing and ransomware websites. It will also grade websites, so you can see quickly if a site is actually safe to visit. And if privacy is important to you, the Safe Browsing VPN, available in the higher tier plans, is a major bonus. It encrypts your connection, letting you browse safely without worrying about someone tracking your activity. This feature works well on both Windows and Mac, and it's fast, which is always a plus. But the VPN included in the lower plans has a daily data cap, so heavy data users might need to upgrade to avoid running out of bandwidth. Okay, so let's talk pricing. TotalAV's Antivirus Premium plan starts at around $20, That covers 3 devices and includes basic virus protection, as well as ransomware defense and system cleanup tools. But if you need more, their internet security plan, priced at around $40, adds their safe browsing VPN and covers 6 devices. And for those who want the best that TotalAV has to offer, the total security plan costs $50, covers 8 devices, and offers extras like the password vault. Basically, TotalAV is a fantastic antivirus option that's easy to use and offers great value for the price. It provides strong protection against threats, along with a ton of extras for keeping a device running smoothly. So I would definitely recommend checking it out if you're looking for the budget-friendly option.
If you want to check out what we're covering today, we have affiliate links in the description. Using those earns us a commission at no extra cost to you, which really helps support the channel.
So next up, we've got BitDefender. Now, this one stands out for its strong security features and user-friendly interface. Whether you're on a Windows laptop, Mac, or even a smartphone, BitDefender offers a variety of tools to keep you protected. Now, one of my favorite things about BitDefender is its comprehensive protection against all kinds of threats: malware, spyware, ransomware, and more. It uses advanced threat defense and multi-layered security to keep everything in check, even monitoring suspicious apps and blocking them before they can cause any harm. The device optimizer feature is incredibly useful on my laptop, since it helps clean junk files and boost performance, making everything run more efficiently. To be aware that there are a few downsides here. I have seen reports that while the optimizer works well, it can occasionally miss certain types of clutter or temp files, leaving you with more work to do manually. But another excellent feature is BitDefender's anti-phishing and anti-fraud tools. These do a great job of blocking fake websites and scams, which is important if you do a lot of online shopping or banking. For example, the SafePay browser, which secures your online transactions, adds some much-needed peace of mind. On top of that, the built-in VPN is included even with their basic plans, providing 200 megabits of daily encrypted browsing, though I've found the cap on data can be a little limiting if you're browsing or streaming regularly. Now, one great tool that BitDefender offers that I have not seen anywhere else is their vulnerability assessment. So with just one click, BitDefender scans for outdated storage, missing Windows security patches, even potentially unsafe system settings. It'll suggest fixes to keep your system secure. It's a huge time saver. But one small con with it is that it sometimes flags older programs that are still perfectly safe. And it can cause unnecessary concerns or extra work to verify their safety. Let's talk pricing. BitDefender offers plans starting at around $30 for the first year for up to 3 devices, and $60 for 5 devices under their total security plans. But larger households needing more coverage can opt for the BitDefender Total Security at around $80 for the first year, which supports up to 25 devices. Plus, if you want to test out BitDefender before committing, you can take advantage of their 30-day free trial. Bottom line is, BitDefender is a feature-packed antivirus solution that gives reliable security and performance. Like the others, it's not perfect, but it's definitely worth considering if you're after great software with a solid set of tools. Now, last up is McAfee, which is another great option for securing your devices without compromising speed or usability. What makes McAfee stand out is its real-time antivirus scanner. It's one of the most effective I've used, blocking malware before it can do any damage. On Windows, the firewall adds an extra layer of security by monitoring incoming and outgoing network traffic, which keeps unauthorized access attempts at bay. For Mac users, McAfee integrates seamlessly with the Mac OS, offering smooth performance and essential features like ransomware protection and web security. Although Mac users may occasionally find that some of the protection settings have less flexibility for customization compared to other software options, it can feel a bit limiting for those who enjoy more control. Now, one of McAfee's best features is its Safe Connect VPN, which encrypts your internet connection and lets you access geo-restricted content. With over 50 server locations, it offers both privacy and speed. However, while it is a solid VPN at its core, it does lack some advanced features like split tunneling, which is something you might miss if you want more control over your connection. But McAfee's identity theft protection works really well. It monitors your credit and sends alerts if it detects suspicious activity. It also offers support to cancel and replace lost credit cards or government IDs, which can help a ton in what can already be very stressful situations. On top of all that, If you're a victim of identity theft, you can also reach out to licensed experts for help restoring your credit and identity. Now, when it comes to pricing, McAfee has a lot of plans to choose from. But just to mention a few, their basic plan starts at around $30 for the first year and covers one device, while their premium plan supports unlimited devices for around $50 for the first year. And if you have kids, there's also McAfee's Family Plan, which adds parental controls and supports multiple users for around $70 per year. McAfee has remained and will remain a trusted antivirus solution that balances strong protection with user-friendly features. It offers some great tools like identity theft protection that really add to its value. So just like the others, McAfee is a great option. So bottom line, there's a bunch of quality antivirus providers to help keep your laptop and other devices secure. Whether you want the best virus protection, privacy features, or system optimization services, you really cannot go wrong with any of the 4 options we've covered here. Just remember, no matter what you choose, staying safe online is crucial in today's world. That wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more like this.
And don't forget, you can find the affiliate links for what we covered right below this video. If you use them, we earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which really does help support the channel.
Now, as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so go ahead and leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll try to get back to them as fast as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.